Guys, welcome back to another video on this Seat Ateca. Today we're gonna be removing the steering wheel airbag. So let me flip it around, show you guys what the process is and get this airbag off. So as you can see, airbag's blown. So what we need to do is twist the steering wheel a little bit off center. So let me put the ignition up. Move it off center so we get access to two holes on the back. So if you bend it this way, I should be able to show you. Okay guys, so once you've got it on a half tilt, what you want to do is slide in a small screwdriver and you want to push down like so on the clip, which will release from one side. Then you want to flip it around to the other side and do the other side. And whilst you're doing so, you want to pull on the airbag so it clips out. On one side and it's clipped out, it should pull out like this. You can do the other side like so, and then you should be able to pull the full airbag out like so. But I'm going to disconnect the battery really quickly so we don't have any other airbags go off. Okay guys, once you put forward on the airbag, what you want to do is disconnect it from the back connector over there. You want to pull forward on the white tab and then unclip it like so. You also want to remove this second connector over here, which you might need a little screwdriver to push down and pull out. I might have to use two hands to get that one out, but you get the concept. Just remove that second clip and the airbag should come free. And there you go guys, the airbag has come off. And that is the end of the video. So if you like, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.